Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel for the recent videos. Here in this video, I would like to talk about 10 incredible reasons to study abroad in Ireland. If you are looking at studying abroad, there is no better place to go than Ireland. Whether you are looking to walk in the steps of literary giants or go on an epic adventure during a break from classes, there is just so much on offer in the Emerald Island. So, it's no wonder that the country has become increasingly more popular with the students who have their sights set on spending a semester or even a year studying abroad. As someone who came to the Emerald Island for what was meant to be for one semester abroad but ended up doing bachelor's degree, master's program and ended up moving here full time. I can honestly say that studying abroad in Ireland was one of the best decisions that most of the students ever made. I also know that I would not be the person I am today without my time studying abroad in Limerick and Dublin. If you are wondering, yes, you can still study abroad in Ireland this year. Ireland is open to students and study abroad programs are still offering incredible opportunities to learn and live on the Irish island. You will need to navigate new procedures with getting a student visa plus health and safety regulations. But if you are willing to put in the work, you can have an incredible study abroad experience in Ireland in 2021 and beyond. Oh, and one more thing. If you need extra help making Ireland affordable this year, check out scholarship to study abroad in Ireland. You could win a full tuition fee waiver, stipend and even flights. No more convincing to kickstart your own study abroad adventure. Here are 9 reasons that you should study abroad in Ireland. Irish people are welcoming people. Breathtaking Irish scenery. The variety of courses on offer. Incredible Irish culture. Ireland's rich history. Chances to learn a new language. There is always something to do. Post visa study visa. It will completely change your life. So these are the reasons I would like to mention before you. Ireland is one of the best places in the world. You can choose and you can find part-time jobs, and after getting a degree you can get work visa also. Wish you all the success. If you find this video useful, please click on bell icon and like and share this video among your friends and well-wishers. Wish you all the success. May God bless you.